It's never boring.
From the early morning to the late afternoon.
It's too hard to not join the parties.
It never stops, and that makes it really fun.
You'll walk into the office, you'll be greeted with bright smiles. Everyone's really excited to be there, that you can tell.
Chatters around the coffee machine, or whether it's just trying to pique each other's brains and bouncing ideas. So it's a lot of interaction with my coworkers.
Actimo cares about us as a person.
What I say matters, and then actions actually happen.
We have a lot of freedom when we're doing our work.
I'm really choosing a lot of my projects, and I'm using my strengths, the things that I'm good at. I actually enjoy everything that I do. So that freedom to work remote and the way that you want to work is second to none. It's really changed the way that I've worked and enjoy working with other people. Everybody is a leader and has an opportunity to be heard and to lead a project.
So whether you need to reach the CEO and bounce ideas with him, or any other colleagues, it's really easy, and I think that's what makes Actimo special.
It's a young, ambitious company that wants to bring engagement to the next level, and we're doing a lot of fantastic work for our customers.
I think it's really inspiring to see my colleagues being so driven and delivering amazing work quality.
And while we are ambitious in achieving our goals, we're also having fun at the same time, so that makes it just a fantastic place to be.